Hey, how's it going, guys? Hope you're well. So today I'm going to talk about Metaverse coins and how this niche is set to explode over the next few years, and it's very, very exciting. There's lots of new projects in the space coming up already, and some that are already established, as you may already be aware. So I can show you the top Metaverse coins to invest in shortly, but this is the Metaverse Index, which is basically a combination of all the Metaverse coins out there, and you can see that on this chart we have exploded and we're actually at all-time high at the moment. So that is a very good indication. And so this, I found an article on Medium. So shout out to Crypto and Zen. He has put together a very nice website page describing a whole load of things. And what I found really interesting was his list of large cap, mid cap, and small cap Metaverse coins that you can even see like where they're available at the moment. But I do have some of these. I don't have all of them. I do have a small cap, a few mid caps, and a few large caps. So yeah, this is a really good list to check out. I recommend that you go check him out on medium.com. This is a really good article to read on them. But what I would like to talk about today is two of them that haven't even been released to the public yet. So by watching this today, if you haven't heard about these, there is still time to get in pre-public into these games and buy these tokens before it gets launched to the public. So Bithotel is one where you can play with your friends and socialize while making money. So this is a play to earn game, and these kinds of games where you play to earn, like Axie Infinity, and all these up and coming games are just going to be like going gangbusters in my opinion. So I have gotten into this IDO that's taking place because I see this trend happening and I am all in, baby. So this is a social NFT game that will use Bithotel coin as its in-game currency. So you collect NFTs and it's cool. You can battle, you can play games, etc., etc. And they already have, it looks like they've sold some NFTs already. And obviously you can buy these when they're launched, is my guess. As soon as they've launched. They're doing giveaways at the moment, so maybe check that out. So Bithotel is still able to be bought right now, but time is very limited. There is a platform that I did my previous video on where you can get in at the moment, and you can also buy the token for Bithotel. Let's have a look at how I did this. So Bithotel, right? You look at it on CoinMarketCap to learn more about it, and sometimes they will list the token address on here, but it doesn't look like they have just yet. So the way to go about it then, pre-public, is if you can, get in on a launch pad to get them. So that is what my previous video is about, how to join the launch pad that's offering them at the moment. Now, if you're completely new to getting into IDOs, I recommend that you need someone to hold your hand through it all. It might be too late for Bithotel, but there is another one up and coming called Soulchicks, also on the same platform, that is also having an IDO. So the platform I did my previous video on is Lithium Launchpad. So yeah, all the details are in that video. But yeah, so they're having an IDO for Soulchicks as well, which is another NFT game, which I think is just going to be huge. So public sale process, if you can't get in on Lithium platform, then you can just buy it at public sale. So let's read this. I mean, they have a huge following at the moment. I do think this is going to be going ballistic at launch. There might be a huge sell-off right when they launch, so I wouldn't recommend buying right then. Maybe wait for the sell-off and then buy in after. So yeah, I don't recommend FOMOing in. So yeah, it does look like they have a regular whitelist that you can join as well. But the way to do it is you can enter on Lithium Launchpad. So the instructions I've walked through step by step on how to enter this is in my previous video. So do check it out. And yeah, again, if you need any hand-holding, then I do have a private Telegram group for that. I'll put the details below for that as well. But yeah, it's exciting with Lithium as well because these guys are an early stage launchpad. Like, I only just found out about them a few days ago. So getting in on this launchpad coin in itself is a good investment in my opinion. So you can see the daily chart. You know, it's been going sideways for a bit, but it has been pumping a lot recently due to obviously a lot of people wanting to join these two latest IDOs. So there's huge upside potential for this coin in my opinion. Yeah, anything I'm talking about here isn't an investment advice either. It's just purely my opinion, but I do believe that play to earn gaming coins, excuse all the beeping in the background, my phone is going off, they are going to just like go gangbusters. So yeah, it is worth getting in the IDO if you can get your head around it. It actually, even me who's a seasoned IDO investor, found this one a bit difficult, which is why I did do a video on how to get in. But so yeah, these two, Bithotel, Soulchicks, they are yet to be released on this platform. So you still have time if you're watching this. And yeah, as always, do your own research. And, you know, anything I'm telling you here is purely my opinion. But the thing is, what I saw with Lithium as well is that, I mean, it's not even listed on CryptoRank at the moment, which means, I mean, look at all these launch pads and how much they have boomed. So there is just so much upside potential still left in this launch pad. So yes, very exciting. I just wanted to share that for now, and you know, I will get into I can get into real specifics when it comes to each game if you want me to. I can talk about, like, you know, let's just say if we look at this and you want me to talk about any one of these and just get right into what they're about, I can, but I'm pretty sure there's plenty of YouTube videos on each of these anyhow out there. You can just do a search on to see what they're about. But yeah, this niche is just, yeah, amazing, and really, honestly, everyone should get in, especially DeFi Metaverse coins. I don't believe in getting into any centralized ones. Like, you know, Facebook Meta are building out their own metaverse at the moment. That is something, you know, centralized is always prone to censorship and basically corruption, like, you know, when all the power is in one company. So to me, yeah, I'm staying away from all the centralized ones. They, yeah, they just give me the heebie-jeebies. So that's why I'm all for promoting DeFi, and, I have a group all introducing people to get into DeFi and the whole big universe that exists, in basically redistributing power back to the people. So yeah, I think I'll just keep it at that for this video. Cheers, and thanks for listening, and if you need more info, I'll put some links below.